Could you tell us what this strike is for, and also about the organization and the reasons behind it?
Thank you. My name is Laben CH Marab. We are part of the Apex Advisory Council, which we call Council of Elders of this organization. Today we are together, some other new members are there with us. Our new friends are there from different organizations. They will introduce themselves later on. Our purpose for today, as politically, it will be as a civil society organization, is with regard to this reservation issue and a demand for winter capital. We have not been given assurance by CM, or even we could not get even an audience. Last time he came and he gathered all NGOs from the side, but we barely been able to speak to him for 1 or 2 minutes. So it's a very complex issue which we as the second tribe from the Garo Hills part, from the western part of Meghalaya, we want assurance from government what will be happening about backlog with regard to that reservation policy. And our long-standing demand had been for winter capital. And what I have stated just before, this is not against any community or even against the government. As a Christian brothers, this we consider not as hunger strike, but as a fasting. So, to even spiritually purify ourselves and right justice should prevail. It's not about demanding or pressurizing, but if we see in the right perspective, it's for the peace of Meghalaya, for unity, we are doing this.
So if Chief Minister calls for an audience, would you call out the strike?
If he contacts us, then we will be we will call our executive members, leaders, and members of Council of Elders, and then we will decide.